Check this out. I just put this motor mount on. Look, this dash would jump, literally shake up and down. Let me see. Look at how loose it is already from just vibrating. But this dash used to just bounce and shake. Let's see. Awesome.